Hey, guys, the global online e-commerce shopping business is rapidly growing, and more companies and individuals are starting to build their own e-commerce websites. According to the latest statistics, the global e-commerce transaction volume reached $4.28 trillion in 2020 and is expected to reach $6.39 trillion by 2025. Building a self-hosted e-commerce website has become one of the primary ways for businesses and individuals to conduct e-commerce. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a brief, step-by-step tutorial on building your very own e-commerce website or online store. It's easier than ever before and you don't need any coding skills. Along the way, I'll also recommend some useful tools and services to help you out. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear outline in your head of how to get started. And if you want to learn more, we've got some in-depth tutorials available on our website at onlinehistorybeginner.com. Step 1. Choose a platform for your e-commerce website. There are two ways for normal people who don't know coding skills and want to build an e-commerce website: using a content management system or an online website, and there are many excellent providers for both platforms. If you're a beginner, online website builders are usually easier to use than content management systems. Shopify is the best website builder for e-commerce websites and is the world's largest e-commerce website building platform. Other popular options include Ecwid, Weebly, and Wix. When it comes to CMS options, WordPress with its WooCommerce plugin is the most well-known for building e-commerce websites. WooCommerce is a complete e-commerce system that integrates seamlessly with WordPress. WordPress is also the most widely used website building tool in the world. More than 40% of websites on the internet are built using it. Other well-known e-commerce CMS options include Magento and PrestaShop. Hence, the first step is to choose the proper one to start your website. Step 2. Buy a web hosting or subscribe to a builder plan. If you want to build your e-commerce website with a content management system, you need to buy web hosting to host your website. However, you don't need to do that for the online builder, but you need to subscribe to a plan for the builder. Using a content management system to build a website is really popular nowadays, especially with the abundance of WordPress users out there. There are now many web hosting providers catering to these users. Some of the most famous ones include SiteGround, Hostinger, ChemiCloud, and Bluehost. In addition, there are also hosting providers that specialize in fully managed WordPress hosting, such as Nexus, Cloudways, and WP Engine. Even Elementor, which is one of the biggest page builders for WordPress, has launched its own fully managed cloud hosting with full Elementor Pro functionality included. For online website builders, there are some great options available too. A lot of online builders offer free trials or plans, so you can give them a test run before committing. Once you've found the one you like, it's a good idea to choose an e-commerce plan to get started. Personally, I highly recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce builders out there, and for good reason. It's user-friendly, has plenty of features, and can help you get your online store up and running in no time. Step 3. Register a domain name and connect it to your website. Whichever method you use to build the website, you will need a domain name, which is the address of your website. Basically, you can buy or register the domain name through the web hosting or the online builder provider. If so, the domain name should be connected to your website directly in this way. Of course, you can also buy a domain name from other third-party registrars. Many registrars offer lower prices than the providers of web hosting or online builder, but you need to understand how to connect the domain to the website on your own. So I recommend the first method to beginners. Step 4. Install Content Management System and SSL certificate on web hosting. You need to install the Content Management System and SSL certificate on web hosting if you use WordPress, Magento, or some other CMS to build your e-commerce website. But you can skip this step if you use an online website builder. Almost all web hostings offer the most popular CMS apps to users. You just head over to the hosting control panel to find and install the CMS app you like. The most popular one is WordPress. There are two types of control panels around the hosting providers. 1. The third-party control panel, like cPanel for Linux servers and Plesk for Windows servers. 2. The in-house control panel is developed by hosting providers. First, install SSL for your website in the control panel. Let's Encrypt SSL is free. Just click the button, you can install it easily. And then install the CMS app, for example, installing WordPress and cPanel, which is the most popular way to start an e-commerce website all over the world nowadays. That's very easy to install. What you need to do is only fill out the website information and click Next. WordPress will be installed in a short minute. And this is the dashboard of the WordPress website. Step 5. Install theme or template and required plugins. No matter which method you choose to build your e-commerce website with, whether it's a content management system or an online builder, you'll need to start with a theme or template. And you'll also need to install some plugins along the way. To install themes or templates, you can usually find the option under Appearance, Design, or Settings on the dashboard. Plugins may be called plugins, modules, or extensions. While both CMS and online builders do offer some free premium themes, many free ones don't have all the features you might want. And the premium ones may be a bit expensive for many beginners, so you can check out some third-party themes and plugins. There are thousands of suppliers out there who sell their themes for all kinds of website builders. So, where can you find these third-party themes? One of the most famous and biggest markets is ThemeForest under Envato Market. And Template Monster is also a very big market for templates. Creative Market is another famous theme market too. If you've got the budget, I'd suggest buying premium themes directly from the platform or getting themes developed by expert teams. That way, the themes are lightweight with clean code, and your website will load much faster. Installing themes and plugins is generally quite straightforward and easy on any platform you choose to build your e-commerce website with. For example, if you're using WordPress, let's walk through how to install a theme on the WordPress dashboard. First, you need to click on Themes under the option Appearance. Then, click on Add New and choose the Cadence theme. Cadence is a professional, lightweight WordPress theme with clean code and fast loading speed. After clicking Install, the theme will be installed quickly, but you still need to activate it. Once activated, you should also install Cadence Starter Templates. Where you can find a template suitable for your business and import it, along with some necessary plugins. Once the import is complete, you can check out your website's front end. That's it, your theme is installed. Step 6. Customize and design your website. So, after you've installed a theme and plugins, the next step is to customize it to make it unique to your website. This involves adding or replacing the information in the theme or template with your own content. Many users like to change things up by adjusting the fonts, colors, and layout of their websites. This is the perfect opportunity to make your website stand out from the rest. Step 7. Add content like pages and products. If you want to get your website up and running, you'll need to add some content like pages and products. This includes creating pages for different sections of your website. And adding product listings with descriptions, prices, and images. Once you've added all the content, your website will start to take shape and become more complete. Step 8. Publish your website. Once you have everything ready, you can publish your website. But it's not just about going online. You'll also want to add your website to search engines, like Google and Bing, so that it gets more visibility. Start selling and earning some income. Best of luck to you!